The new AutoMAB 450 magnetic core drilling machine with fully automatic forward and reverse operation, equipped with all new LED switches. 45mm diameter core drilling capacity. 55mm cutting depth capacity. A safety shutdown mechanism protects the drill motor from overload. Simply better drilling. Automatic feed and automatic reverse, equipped with load indicator and magnet indicator. Lightweight machine. Optional feed handles to operate manually. Internal lubrication. The new AutoMAB 450, fully automatic magnetic drilling machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.